In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Always Show Meeting Controls option in Zoom on your desktop, which will allow the toolbar to auto-hide rather than stay fixed. This little trick can help streamline your meetings by giving you more screen space and reducing clutter when you don't need those controls in view. Let's dive right in. Start by opening the Zoom desktop application on your computer and signing in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, take a look at the top right corner of the app window where you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and click on your profile picture, which will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings window, where you can customize various aspects of your Zoom experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to navigate to the Meetings and Webinars tab. This tab includes a wealth of options that allow you to adjust how Zoom behaves during your meetings. It might take a second to locate if you have any other tabs showing up, so make sure you're in the right spot. Once you're in the Meetings and Webinars section, scroll down to find the Controls panel. This section is where you'll find options related to the appearance and behavior of your meeting controls. It's a good area to get familiar with if you haven't already explored it. In the Controls panel, look for the option that is labeled something along the lines of Keep Meeting Controls Visible. It might have slightly different wording depending on your version, but it will be the option that deals with the visibility of the meeting controls. You'll see a checkbox next to this option. What you'll want to do is uncheck the box next to this option. Unchecking it will disable the constant display of the meeting controls and will enable the toolbar to auto-hide when it's not in use. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and close the settings window. You've now successfully set it up so that your meeting control toolbar will hide when you're not actively using it, providing you with a cleaner view during your Zoom meetings. To bring the controls back whenever you need them, you can simply move your mouse to make them appear. Alternatively, if you're using Windows, press the Alt key, and if you're on a Mac, Ctrl++ will do the trick. And there you have it. This small adjustment can make a big difference, especially if you're someone who frequently hosts or participates in Zoom meetings and prefers an uncluttered view. When you're ready to test it out, jump into a meeting and see how much more space you have. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your clutter-free Zoom meetings.